Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the Bose QC Ultra has enough battery. Low power can corrupt settings. Once charged to roughly half, power off the headphones. Now, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to confirm it's off, and then remove any active Bluetooth pairings from connected phones or computers so they don't auto-reconnect during reset. Make sure the Bose Music app is closed. This prevents the app from preventing the device from entering reset mode. Now you perform the actual reset. Press and hold both the power and noise control buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. You'll feel a brief vibration, and then the LED will start flashing amber followed by white. Keep holding until you see that full LED sequence. Releasing early cancels the reset. This forces the headphones to clear user settings and Bluetooth pairings. Once the lights finish, the device internally rebuilds default settings, so be patient and avoid. Finally, power the headphones back on and wait for the startup voice prompt or a steady white LED. This confirms the reset completed. Then open the Bose Music app and set up the QC Ultra as a new device, making fresh connections and reapplying any preferences. If the headset won't pair, power cycle it and retry the reset one more time. If problems persist, ensure the app and phone firmware are up to date. Updating often resolves pairing or firmware hang issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.